It's 45 degrees here in Melbourne right now. It's so windy. I'm heading to my car because we're going out with Laura and have my rest day today. Day off. It's been a while I've been vlogging. I've been editing a lot of my Queensland trip, so hopefully you guys support it, share, like, subscribe my YouTube, not Facebook. Yeah. Okay, I'm heading in. I got a bit of migraine today, and yeah, it's really hot. It's 45 degrees, 44. And yeah, I just got up very late. I need to finish a lot of things. They say it's the hottest since 5 years. Did I say that right? Yeah, it's been hot. They say it's been really hot, and it's been 5 years since the last hot season. I don't know. What I remember is 5 years ago, I was working in a factory. It was a warehouse. I was packing some socks and footy shirts and shorts, and yeah, it was around 44 degrees, 42. I don't remember, but we were asked to go home. Anyway, it's been a long time. I didn't expect, but yeah, time passes by. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. So I'm just arrived in Ringwood right now. I'm waiting for Laura to drop off her office car or her car, and then we're gonna go to Eastland, look for some shoes. So yeah, should be fun. Should be good. I'm hungry. Yeah, I am. Damn. Okay guys, and I'm gonna ask you one more thing. Please subscribe on my YouTube page, my YouTube account, because I need your help. I'll be releasing my 15-day travel on Queensland, and the rest since 2016, was it? Yeah, I had a lot of videos that I'm gonna throw back. And yeah, guys, please do subscribe. Yeah. Okay, true story. I just realized today I was shooting in 4K the other day, and I was setting it recording proxies on. So what happened was, yeah, I didn't use the 4K footage to upload. I used the proxy, which is around 720p, and that sucks. I just realized it now. But anyway, upload a video. That should be done. There should be a new set of videos. But damn. We're here at Pacos Tacos, and we're trying to eat tacos. Yep. What do you have here? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Tacos. No, nachos. Nothing beats a good nachos. Here at Pacos Tacos.